Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make landing gear in Melon Playground. First, open the game and select a suitable base object for your aircraft. It's crucial to pick a sturdy foundation, perhaps a large metal plate or a strong beam. Next, choose durable materials like steel or titanium for the gear itself to ensure it can withstand impacts. Finally, position your main landing gear strategically, typically around the aircraft's center of gravity, for optimal balance. Now let's add the wheels. You'll want to attach at least 2 wheels to each main gear strut. Use fixed joints to firmly secure these wheels to a central axle, preventing any unwanted rotation or detachment. Make sure all wheels are perfectly aligned. This is vital for smooth movement across the ground and during takeoff. Consider using small, strong metal rods as axles for maximum durability and stability. Next, focus on the struts and overall support. Construct robust struts using sturdy metal beams or pipes, ensuring they can bear the aircraft's full weight. Connect these struts securely to the aircraft's main body using fixed joints, creating a rigid structure. For enhanced stability, add a nose wheel or a tail skid, depending on your aircraft's design. This extra point of contact will prevent tipping and improve ground handling significantly. Finally, it's time for thorough testing and refinement. Place your aircraft on a flat surface and conduct ground tests, checking for any wobbling or imbalance. Then, perform several takeoffs and landings, carefully observing how the landing gear performs under stress. Pay close attention to the joint strength and material properties, making any necessary adjustments to ensure your landing gear is both durable and perfectly functional for all your aerial adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.